Hello, everybody. Welcome back to another wonderful biology class. I'm so glad you're here. Today, we're going to be looking at biodiversity and conservation. This is the last module of our unit on ecology, so yes, you should expect a big test coming up. We've already had a couple of small ones, but this will be a nice, big, meaty unit test. So as we go through this unit, make sure you're planning for that because it's on the way. So right now we will have our introduction, and after that, the next couple of classes, the first class, we will have a lesson on biodiversity and what that is. Then we'll move into threats to biodiversity. And then finally, we'll look at conservation biology and what scientists do to attempt to protect biodiversity from its threats. And then finally, we'll wrap up and have that big, meaty unit test that I know you're so excited about. It'll be great. But as we're going through this unit, there is a kind of a big, broad question that you should be asking yourself. And it is, what happens to this ecosystem, or any ecosystem, if the river is destroyed? Okay, so you can see here, I've tried to find a picture of a bit of a dried riverbed where the river is slowly running out. What happens to that ecosystem if the river goes away completely? It's a good question, and hopefully one worth thinking about. And as we go through this unit, or this module, and finish out the unit, hopefully you'll be able to come up with a really intelligent, well thought out answer to that question. Thank you so much for listening, and I've got some questions for you now.